Hello, I'm Wally Salinger from the Alpha Potential, where we make mindset matter. In the last 4 months, unless you're hiding under a rock somewhere, you will have noticed that there is a pandemic going on. And you'll have noticed it because you're locked behind closed doors, as I am in a curfew, because you can't go out and socialize, because you're in a work-at-home environment, or because you have children crawling all over you all day long, whom you're supposed to homeschool, in an environment and a time when you really don't have time to focus on doing that. It's no wonder that our bodies are restless, our minds fearful, and our mental health is under stress, because human beings, who are social beings, are stressed when we are uncertain or we are faced with chaos. Our world functions in a state of high stress, dramatic emotional swings, and we don't have the luxury of physical connection to balance our lives. Our parents and our elders are just as isolated, fearful, and restless as their offspring. For this reason, our physical, our financial, our spiritual, our mental and emotional worlds are in a state of complete chaos. In times of chaos, we need to learn to quickly adapt to the new normal. And the only way we can do this is to pivot what we are doing, to find a new anchor and to change directions quickly. Here at the Alpha Potential, we've created a 3-step program designed specifically for our coaching and mentoring programs, not for the community at large. And it's designed to help you pivot your life, your relationships, and your businesses. We're going to deliver it online, because that's the new normal, on 3 consecutive days in 30-minute sessions. We know that some of you have children at home who are being homeschooled. We know that some of you are under home curfew or home isolation. So what we've done is we've looked at our clients around the world and we've set times that suit European, Asian, and Australian clients simultaneously. As a special offer to you, our client, we're asking you if you would like to invite a friend to join with us. Should you bring a friend with you, both of you will receive the sessions at a special rate. The Pivot program will cover the following meditation-based programs for your mind, physical, and environmental feelings and emotions. The Pivot program will cover a meditation-based program for your mind, your physical environment, and your feelings and emotions. During the course of the sessions, we will develop an anchor in your first session, from which you'll experience a deep sense of security, calmness, and stillness. What you'll notice after the session is a change in your breathing rate, your sleep, and your ability to control your situation. In your second session, we're going to use the anchor from the previous day to create a physical space in which you are focused and gain clarity for your decision making. And on the third day, when we engage your feelings and emotions, your loved ones will feel your mastery of day-to-day circumstances. In our meditation, we learn how to identify, engage, and eliminate our fears. Human beings fear change, and yet strangely, in a time of chaos, we always will find clarity. Our 3-step process accelerates you from chaos to mastery. Please don't panic. You don't need to be a yogi on a rock who meditates for days on end. We schedule up to 15 minutes of content to explain the process and to answer a few questions you may have. And this then leads us into a guided meditation and a concluding 5 minutes to wrap up the session. And now for some program details. This is not a public program. It is exclusive to invitees and your guests. It will be conducted on Monday, April the 6th, Tuesday, April the 7th, and Wednesday, April the 8th, 2020. In Australia, it'll be conducted at 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. In Southeast Asia, so Bali, Hong Kong, Singapore, at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. In India and Sri Lanka, Indian Central Time at 1:30 in the afternoon. In London, it'll be at 9 a.m. And in the rest of Europe, Scandinavia, Berlin, Paris, Zurich and Stockholm at 10 a.m. At this stage,
US and Canadian times, South American times will be set for a separate program to best match their time needs and commitments in their local countries. What's necessary? It'll all be provided on your Google invite to a Zoom meeting. Please, before we start the conference, at least an hour before, click on the link and test that it is working on the device you're using. You may need to download Zoom either as a browser add-on or alternatively as an app on your phone if you haven't used it before. The cost per person is $30 for all 3 sessions. You can bring a friend, and if you do, both you and your friend pay $25. The cost is just there to cover the preparation and IT services. Payment process will be also attached to the invitation, but it'll either be done through a bank transfer or the details on the invoice. Please, because of the short time frame, confirm payments by sending a receipt from your bank at the time that you make that transfer. Look forward to having you on board at the Pivot Your Life program, because we want to add value to you and give you the anchor that you need in times of chaos and uncertainty. Until we see you on the program, make your mindset matter.